Discover the perfect tool to keep your yard clean without cords or noise. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best battery blower vacuum, designed for effortless outdoor cleanup with powerful airflow and long runtime. From leaves to debris, this machine handles everything with ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. WOLFMEN Battery Blower Vacuum. The WOLFMEN Battery Blower Vacuum is a game changer for anyone tired of bulky, corded leaf blowers. This upgraded cordless blower eliminates the limitations of traditional models and makes yard cleaning a breeze. With a powerful axial flow turbofan, it can deliver up to 450 CFM and 150 miles per hour, providing strong airflow capable of blowing away leaves, dust, and lightweight debris quickly. The included charger and dual 20V 2.0 Ah batteries allow for alternating use, with each battery lasting up to 30 minutes on low speed. This makes it convenient for continuous yard work without frequent recharging. Users can select from 2 adjustable speed modes to match different cleaning needs, making it perfect for various tasks such as clearing courtyards, parks, streets, or home gardens. Beyond performance, the WOLFMEN blower is lightweight at just 3.8 pounds, significantly reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Its ergonomic, anti-slip design ensures comfortable handling and easy maneuverability. Assembly is quick and simple, requiring only the installation of 2 nozzles and a battery, allowing users to start their cleanup within minutes. Overall, the WOLFMEN Battery Blower Vacuum combines portability, power, and efficiency, making it an essential tool for year-round yard maintenance and effortless cleaning. Its blend of lightweight design, impressive motor power, and customizable speed modes ensures a superior user experience that rivals many traditional corded blowers. Whether you need to clear leaves from your driveway or sweep dust off your patio, this versatile blower delivers excellent performance and convenience, making it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use cordless leaf blower. Number 2. Chemo Battery Blower Vacuum. The Chemo Battery Blower Vacuum stands out as a versatile, multifunctional tool designed to simplify yard maintenance. Marketed as a 4-in-1 device, it serves as a blower, vacuum, inflator, and deflator, making it more than just a traditional leaf blower. Its 2,000 Pascal suction power converts it into a vacuum with ease, while its blow function effectively moves leaves and debris quickly. Chemo includes 3 different nozzles, allowing users to easily inflate or deflate objects such as air mattresses, yoga balls, inflatable pools, and boats. This multi-functionality adds incredible value as the blower becomes useful for both outdoor chores and recreational activities. Equipped with 3 speed modes, 90 miles per hour, 130 miles per hour, and 150 miles per hour, the blower offers adjustable airflow to tackle different cleaning tasks with an infinite speed button for precise control. Its upgraded turbo motor provides efficient airflow and 50% better heat dissipation than conventional motors, delivering up to 200 CFM and 20,000 revolutions per minute for powerful performance. The dual-sided air intake improves energy efficiency while maintaining strong airflow, allowing users to clean front porches, driveways, and yards quickly. The device is lightweight, compact, and portable, while the extension tube ensures comfort when reaching high or distant areas. Assembly is quick, with battery insertion and tube attachment ready within 3 seconds. Number 3. WORX Battery Blower Vacuum. The WORX Battery Blower Vacuum is a powerful 3 inches to 1 yard tool that blends a leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher into a single, efficient device. Its 40V battery provides impressive performance, generating 340 CFM of air volume at 210 miles per hour, making it capable of handling even the most stubborn yard debris. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance, running 50% longer than traditional brush motors while delivering 25% more power, ensuring efficiency and durability over time. One of the WORX blower's standout features is its mulching capability, which can reduce 12 bags of leaves down to just 1, saving time and effort when cleaning large areas. Its space-saving collection system allows users to cover more ground without constantly emptying the bag. The blower's 2-speed control lets users choose between eco mode for extended battery life or full speed for maximum blowing power. Switching between blower and vacuum functions is tool-free, making it quick and convenient for different tasks. Another advantage is its compatibility with the WORX PowerShare platform, allowing users to share the same battery with over 140 power tools and outdoor equipment, adding versatility and cost efficiency. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue during extended use. Whether clearing leaves from a garden, sweeping debris off a driveway, or mulching yard waste, the WRX battery blower vacuum delivers a reliable and efficient solution. Its combination of power, battery longevity, mulching capacity, and ease of use makes it one of the best choices for homeowners seeking an all-in-one cordless yard tool. Users can enjoy a clean yard with minimal effort, making outdoor chores faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 4. AIVOLT Battery Blower Vacuum. The AIVOLT Battery Blower Vacuum is an upgraded 3-in-1 tool combining a blower, vacuum, and mulcher, ideal for tackling outdoor debris efficiently. This 2025 version features improvements based on user feedback, including larger 4.0 Ah batteries, stronger vacuum power, and 4 speed modes plus a turbo function for heavy-duty tasks. Its impressive 600 CFM airflow and 160 miles per hour wind speed allow it to clear leaves, dust, and debris from decks, driveways, roofs, patios, and gardens with ease. The included 40L mulching bag simplifies collection, while the zip design ensures easy emptying. AIVOLT's ergonomic design, with an anti-skid handle, extended tube, and adjustable padded shoulder strap, enhances comfort and usability during prolonged use. The lightweight 9.5-pound design, combined with adjustable wheels for vacuuming or blowing, makes it highly portable and convenient. Battery life ranges from 30 minutes on high-speed mode to 90 minutes on low-speed mode, providing ample runtime for extended cleaning sessions, and charging is completed within roughly 2 hours. Switching between blower, vacuum, and mulcher functions is straightforward, and the turbo button delivers maximum power for short bursts, perfect for accumulated debris. This makes the AIVOLT blower ideal for both light seasonal cleaning and heavy-duty yard maintenance. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Battery Blower Vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER Battery Blower Vacuum is a highly efficient, cordless solution for yard cleanup. Delivering airflow of up to 120 miles per hour, this sweeper vac easily clears debris from driveways, decks, garages, and other hard surfaces. Its cordless design allows seamless switching between blower and vacuum modes, making it convenient for quick cleanup without dealing with tangled cords. The 40 VMAX lithium-ion battery ensures long runtime, with a charge indicator to monitor remaining power, while the power command controls allow users to balance between maximum runtime and peak performance. The mulching fan reduces up to 6 bags of leaves into just 1, minimizing effort and storage needs. Despite its power, the device is lightweight at 5.4 pounds in blower mode and 6.9 pounds in vacuum mode, reducing user fatigue. The low-noise design makes it ideal for use in residential areas, while the built-in scraper on the blow tube allows easy removal of matted leaves or stuck-on debris. The soft grip handle provides additional comfort during extended cleaning tasks. BLACK+DECKER's focus on user-friendly design ensures this battery blower is highly efficient, practical, and versatile for both home and small yard use. Its combination of cordless convenience, lightweight construction, adjustable power, and mulching ability makes an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a reliable and easy-to-use outdoor cleaning tool. With a BLACK+DECKER battery blower vacuum, yard maintenance becomes faster, simpler, and less physically demanding, delivering excellent results without hassle. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.